Hello viewers, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to submit a photo to get an approve to Shutterstock. To do that, you have to open up a browser. After that, you have to click on Sell Content. Then you have to sign up your account. I have already signed up here. Right after, you have to click on Upload Images. Now select images from your computer. So I'm going to select one here. After that, open. So as you can see, it is uploading. As I have already uploaded this picture, so I'm not going to show you the details up to upload here. So I'm going to cross it here and okay, so it will disclose here. After that, I'm going to Shutterstock contributor, and here is images that I didn't submit yet. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm just going to click on here, and now you can see here all of the images are didn't submitted. So I'll show you one here now by this tutorial. So I'm going to click on wallpaper images. So it has been selected. Now here you have to figure it out 2-3 things like type of image. So it is automatic photo, so photo is selected here. Now uses would be commercial, so commercial also selected here. But if your photo is for editorial, so you have to click on editorial here, and if it is illustration, so you have to select on illustration. Anyway, number 2 things is you have to describe your photo in at least 5 words. So I'm going to describe my photo here. So it's actually wallpaper, so I'll write down here. Okay, so I'm going to write down here beautiful fresh desktop wallpaper, texture or background. Now I have to click on category here, then I will select backgrounds or textures. Number 2 category would be abstract. Then here is suggested keyword, so I can take it randomly by clicking on there. So as you can see, 25 keywords are given, but you have option to give 50 till 50 keywords here. So what you can do, you can search keyword so that you can put it here easily. So like this way you can search like pink color flower. So here is many pink color flower. So I'm going to taking the very first one. Then I will take this keyword. What will I do? I will take a notepad here. Then I will write down all the keywords that is mentioned here. So it's done now. So what I'm gonna do here, Ctrl plus A together to select all the keywords I have here. After that, I'm going to Ctrl plus C. Okay, then I will put it here. Then I'll press on enter. As you can see here, 56 keyword, which is more than the requirement. I have to minus 6 keyword here. Here is showing spelling error, so you have to remove it. Otherwise, it will not take submit button yet. So after that, okay, 45 keywords is enough to get an acceptance. Okay, now as you can see here, the check mark is saying it is ready to submit here now. So to do submit, you have to click on submit button, content submitted. Now if you go to pending here, so it is saying your pending items will be reviewed within 5 days. We will let you know when they have been reviewed. So it will take till 5 days to get review, and after review, if it is approved or not approved, an email will be sent to your account so that you can understand that your content will be online or it is rejected, and the reason also they will send. So this is the process to submit photo to get an approved. Hopefully this tutorial will help. Thank you very much guys to watch this tutorial very attentively. If it is helpful for you, please go for subscribe, share and comment. Thank you very much.